Are dark spots or dull skin getting you down? I've got my hands on the latest Garnier Vitamin C Serum and I've been testing it just for you. So stay tuned till the end of this video to see if this serum can actually brighten your skin and if it's worth your money. Hey guys, my name is Rhea and I make videos on skincare and makeup, and in today's video we'll be exploring the newly launched Garnier's Bright Complete Overnight Booster Serum. This is how it looks like. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how the product comes with the outer packaging. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's a basic carton box with all the details on all four sides of the product. They have the expiry date mentioned, the ingredient list, and they have it in different languages as well that I'm not able to make out. It's a vegan formula they have mentioned on the packaging, and yeah, so that is how the outer packaging looks like. Now there are no much claims mentioned on the outer packaging, but there are few that I can read out to you. That is, it gives visibly brightened skin and it removes dark spots over the night, and even the skin is more receptive to regeneration after you use this particular product. There's nothing else that is specifically mentioned on the outer packaging, I suppose, and also there's another language that has been mentioned which I'm not able to read out, so spare me with that. Now this particular product comes in two sizes. One is the 15 ml package and one is the 30 ml package. The 15 ml package will cost you around 329, but it's always on discount on Nykaa, and also you will get the 30 ml product for 699. Again, this will be on discount on Nykaa or on Amazon. I'll mention all the marketplaces as well, so you can purchase this particular product from Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and also Garnier's official website. Now coming to the application and my experience. Now while I apply the product, I will be talking to you about how the texture of this product is. Now basically, as you can see while I apply it on my skin, it is a very liquid kind of consistency. It's not at all thick. It's just flowy liquid consistency. The color is yellow. It has a fragrance to it, so I'll say if you're a sensitive skin person, you must avoid it if you cannot take any fragrance in your skincare products. But this one does have some scent to it, and it's not very overpowering, but for some it might be. For me, I love fragrance, so it's kind of very subtle and mild scent that it has. Also, as soon as I apply it, I feel that it makes your skin slightly sticky, but for any vitamin C serum that is the case, so it's totally fine. But it does not make your skin very sticky. When I say sticky, just slight stickiness until the product gets absorbed into your skin. Now I've been using it from 2 weeks, and one thing that I said is after application, immediate application, I felt it's a little slightly sticky, very slightly sticky, and absorption, I would say it takes like 2 to 3 minutes till you actually dab nicely, and then it gets absorbed into your skin very nice. Also, I did not feel any tingling sensation or any irritation or purging after using this particular product. Maybe because I'm already been using vitamin C, but somebody who doesn't use any actives shouldn't be using this without a patch test, because it's gonna give you some reaction, and we don't want that. There was no redness as well, just mentioning, because a lot of you then asked me in the comments if there was redness, if there was itching. Nothing of that sort. No reaction at all was there for me, because maybe I'm using vitamin C since a long time. But if you are a beginner, do a patch test for sure. Also, one thing that I noticed is ever since I started using this, I wake up with a nice glowy brightened skin. Definitely it did not happen in the second use, as the brand claims that within first use you might see brightened skin, but I don't believe that. I think after my 4th or 5th use, I could actually see my skin looking really healthier and better and glowy every morning when I wake up after using this in the night. Now one more thing that I wanted to mention is that I had few dark spots on one of my cheek. After my post-marriage rituals, my skin was damaged, and only one side of my face had a lot of breakouts, and they had some dark spots and acne marks that were left. But ever since I used this product, I could see a very quicker brightening in my skin. Like these scars had faded out quicker. Otherwise I do use niacinamide and I do use vitamin C, but I think this particular product made that 2 days faster, I could say. I'm not saying that the other products did not work, but I think this was a little quicker to work to brighten my skin and fade out all those dark spots. So overall I would say it gives you a nice glowing and brightened effect, and it's a perfect serum for your night skincare routine if you follow one, because now I am a person who follows one night skincare routine and I keep it with the best products that actually work on my skin, and this product has definitely done that, and it's definitely going to be a permanent product in my night skincare routine as of now, till I actually find a replacement or a better product than this one. I have used the Garnier's Day Vitamin C serum as well, but if you ask me a comparison, if I like that one or this one, then I definitely like this one because this actually works better. Now talking about the drawbacks, any negative things to say, I really don't have anything negative in my mind to talk about this particular product. I think on the product, if they could mention the ingredients at least, it would be great, which they haven't, but that's okay. That's the only con that I have, but otherwise the product is really good. It has a good shelf life as well. It has a shelf life of 4 years, which is really great. I love it, but I think vitamin C for 4 years will get oxidized somehow, so that way it doesn't make sense to me, but otherwise it's a great product. For the price, I think it's justified, and packaging is excellent. There's no issue with the packaging at all. Now if you'll ask me, would you recommend this product? Yes, definitely I would recommend this product. If you're a beginner, do a patch test, but otherwise it's a great product for everybody. Anybody who has sensitive skin, please stay away because it has fragrance. If you cannot take it, do not purchase this product. It has mild scent, and otherwise if you have active acne, do not use this product. But other than that, if you are a dry skin person, dull skin person, combination skin person, oily skin person, acne prone skin person, you can definitely go for this product. Only see to it that if you have active acne, do not use the product, but otherwise it's a great one to use, especially for your night skincare routine. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring to you more and more product recommendations and reviews. Bye guys.